Hello, dear students. Welcome to the fifth part of our chapter, Fiber to Fabric. In this part, we will discuss the extra questions. So first question is, which type of climate is suitable for the cultivation of cotton plants? And the answer is hot and humid climate is suitable for the cultivation of cotton plants. Next question is, what is separated out from cotton fibers in the process of ginning? So, what is ginning? It is the process of separation of cotton fibers from the seeds. So, what is separated? The seeds are separated in the process of ginning. Now, how many types of natural fibers are there? There are two types of natural fibers: plant fibers and animal fibers. Examples we have already discussed. What are plant fibers? The fibers that are obtained from plant sources are called plant fibers, like cotton, jute, coir and flax. And animal fibers, the fibers which we obtain from animals like wool and silk. Now the next question is, from where do we get silk? We get silk from cocoon of silkworms. Then the next question is, where jute is grown in India? So in India, jute is grown in West Bengal, Assam and Bihar. Now the next question is, what is coir? And as we all know that coir is a plant fiber obtained from fruit of coconut. Now the next question is, what is the process of obtaining jute fiber from its plant? So jute plants are harvested at the flowering stage. After cutting of jute plants, they are left for some days in the field. When leaves are dried up, these are immersed in stagnant water. In stagnant water, the gummy matter that holds the fibers with its stem is eaten away by the bacteria, and this process is called as retting. After retting, jute fibers are separated by hand and they are sent to the mills for the process of spinning to form the yarn. Now the next question. What is the process of obtaining cotton fiber from cotton plant? And the answer is, cotton is a plant fiber which is obtained from fruit of coconut cotton plant, and it is used for making a variety of fabrics. Now the fruit of cotton plant, which is called as the cotton ball, it bursts open after maturing. These cotton balls are picked and the seeds are separated from the fibers by combing. And this process of combing of cotton balls to separate out the seeds from cotton ball is called as ginning. And thus cotton fibers are obtained and then they are sent to the mills for making the yarns. So this was all about the extra questions, and the chapter is over. Revise the chapter well. Thank you.